The question to you, this is in English and in Filipino. Okay, after my question, I'll give you time to answer, okay? Here we go. Here is a common question for top 5 of Binibining Dasmariñas 2025. Being Binibining Dasmariñas means being a woman of representation, not just beauty, but influence. What is one message that you want to convey to the whole city of Dasmariñas to hear clearly through you? Ang pagiging Binibining Dasmariñas ay nangangahulugan ng pagiging isang babaeng kumakatawan hindi lamang sa kagandahan, kundi pati na rin sa impluensya. Ano ang isang mensaheng nais mong iparating sa buong lungsod ng Dasmariñas na marinig nila ng malinaw sa pamamagitan mo?
I believe that the Binibining Dasmariñas title is a full-time job. And with that, one message that I want to give tonight is to use your voices, most especially to the different social issues today. We should always stand up for what is right. And with that, I am going to use my platform, this Binibining Dasmariñas stage, to use my voice and be brave as well. And with that, I can show to everyone that I am not just title holder who wear a crown in my head, but rather I am the Binibining Dasmariñas who can be the vanguard of braveness, hope, and magical transformation. Thank you and good evening, Dasmariñas!